Hi, I'm JT. Welcome to Debasement Studios. We are here today to learn some Pro Tools and some recording audio stuff. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to boot up Pro Tools. So, clicking down in your application bar, wherever you happen to be, and let's get it rolling. And then we wait for it to load. So, once Pro Tools is loaded, you have a few options. You can either create a new session from a template or a completely blank new one, or you can open a previously recorded session. So today we are going to create a blank session. So once you click on Create Blank Session, you can open up these session parameters. A few simple little things here, all basically related to quality. So WAV files is the most common format used these days. We're going to use that today. And you can choose the bit depth, which is related to dynamics and volume. Quite simply, we're going to start with 16-bit. We're also going to choose in our sample rate 44.1. This is what's known as the Red Book standard. It's what all CDs are made at. It's quite high enough quality for what we're going to be doing today. Your I/O settings, today we're going to use the settings related to this studio. Doesn't really matter too much for now. So 16, 44.1. They're the two main settings you need to have here, and WAV files. We're going to create blank session. We click OK. It'll ask us where exactly we want to put this and what we want to call it. So I'm putting this on my external drive here today, and we are going to call it First Train Out, which is the name of the song that we're going to be working with. So it brings up this first window here, which is we call the edit window, and there's one other main window in Pro Tools. Quite simply only two. The other main window is called the mix window. So if you hold down your command button for Mac or your control button for PC and hit the equals button, it will toggle you between these two windows. The other way to do it is to go to the window menu at the top, and you can choose mix or edit. So they're the two main windows. One of the first things that I usually like doing when getting into this edit window is to set up your environment, to set up your workspace and make use of your real estate. So the first thing I do is go to the top right hand corner here to this little drop down menu, and I bring up the MIDI controls and my expanded transport. These collection of tools that you're viewing up the top here are going to get you through almost everything you need. There's another little thing here called the universe, which usually comes up by default. You can choose to use it or choose not to use it. I prefer to not have it there. Bingo, we have all our tools, our plays and stops, which is what we call the transport, and we have our two windows, the mix and edit. Now we need to get some audio in here.